Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're doing one of my wedding on a budget DIYs. And believe it or not, this is a wedding card box made of Dollar Tree frames. You can see on the screen here, I have quite the extensive list of supplies that were used, and feel free to customize this to your liking. So what you see on screen here are going to be images of the exact items used, either from Dollar Tree, Amazon, or Michael's, or wherever else. Mainly because I made this card box back on November 2021, and sadly I don't have too many pictures or any videos of me creating it to even showcase what I did and how I did it, and it was before I even considered creating my channel anyways. That being said, this isn't my original idea. I got this idea by browsing through other videos on YouTube at the time because I wanted to do a lot of DIYs. I'm a big time DIYer as it is, just in general. I really just enjoy making stuff from scratch if I can. And we were on a budget, and I was thinking I really wanted something really pretty as far as the card boxes are concerned. And so I decided to try to get as many items either through the Dollar Tree or somewhere else even less expensive or whatever, even more affordable. And I came across these items, and I decided to use canvas boards to help secure the actual frames to create this box. I will also try to find those videos that I originally watched to try to link them in the description box below. And of course, all the items that I was able to purchase and whatnot, including stuff from the Dollar Tree, will also be linked in the description box below as well. You're going to want to permanently glue the glass piece into your frame, as well as any sort of embellishments either within the frame or outside and along the frame or whatever. I chose to also decorate the inside in a sense where I used tissue paper to glue in the inside because I really wanted to make it super strong. It did cause it to be even heavier than it started out being, but I think in the long run it wasn't that heavy anyways, but in the long run it was really worth it. Whatever you do to the four sides, including the front, you're going to want to repeat that with the lid, and the lid you don't want permanently. At least for my case, I made the lid to be not permanently attached. Instead, I used it as more like a way of reaching in and grabbing in the cards. The foam board is used to create the bottom part of the box. You're going to want to take the bare bones, the four sides that are already glued together, place that on top of your foam board and trace the outside twice. Then cut that out and glue those pieces together. And then with the remaining foam board, take the bare bones again, trace just the inside, and there's only going to be enough for like 2 halves at this point. So I would trace it twice and then make sure that they fit perfectly within the wider parts that are already glued together, so that way they can sit, the actual bare bones can sit perfectly on top. You'll glue those on top of each other, and then you're going to glue the bottom to the bare bones, and then you're going to add tissue paper within the inside if you're following exactly how mine looks. You'll glue the tissue paper all over with Mod Podge, and then you'll add paints of your color choices. I used, my main color was the chocolate brown metallic paints, and then you'll wait for that to dry, and then you'll repeat the same process for the lid as well. And once everything's dry, you'll just embellish it with the tulle, the ribbons, and the mini flowers to your liking. And then to keep the lid in place, I used these mini, and I'll link it in the description box below, these mini magnets, and they actually serve as a sort of like a surface for it to lay on top of, as well as magnetically, because I also glued in staples to the lids, the bottom side of the lid as well. The cord was used to decorate the bottom edges of the box, as well as the unsightly areas of the inside of the box as well, optional, and just to give it more of like a completed look. If you'd like me to recreate this video using smaller items to be able to videotape it, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.